Welcome back, friends. This is the 5 episode series, episode of 3 to 4 minutes. And what are we talking about? We are talking about the type of motivators, mentors, and spiritual gurus that you often meet. We already talked in the previous episode about the mentors who are steam engines, those loud people who are inefficient. In this episode, we are going to talk about the diesel engines. And friends who've studied a bit of physics at the high school level or a bit of mechanical engineer, we know that a diesel engine is an internal combustion engine. So these mentors and these coaches are telling you that the fuel and the energy is lying inside you. So there is latent talent. I like the word, it's an anagram. There is latent talent inside you which you have to get out. No one else is going to come and create and give you that energy booster, pep talk dose. There is that reservoir of energy inside you, that fuel. Ignite it and use that energy to go in the right direction. Mostly these coaches are with a management and a corporate type of background. They will tell you the traditional things: hard work, focus, and concentration. Most of them would not be able to perhaps distinguish as to what is the difference between focus and concentration. They would ask you to have confidence in yourself, not to heed to the external noise and follow your heart and passion, see the things which resonate with you, so on and so forth. Of course, a fair amount of dose of time management, fixing priorities, and so on. And at the end of it, I must say that if you are not acquainted with these fundamental concepts of managing yourself, your colleagues, and your business, then these are very useful to go through, because irrespective of the type of formal education that we've had, at least in the Indian scenario, I do not find the formal education system telling us about these things, which are, I think, a condition precedent for success in any environment, whether you're running your own business, a government job, a private job, a non-government organization, or even doing general seva for the community. So they are good. But are they value for money? In the pre-COVID scenario, normally these courses would be organized 3-day course, 5-day course in 3-star hotels. You've got networking, mixer, dinners and lunches, or drinks and cocktails, and the whole thing would cost you something like $500 or $5,000 or $10,000, depending upon where you are booked. And of course, you fly at your own expense and so on. And while going back, they hand you, in the good old days, the CD-ROMs, and they would now, of course, give you those pen drives. But more importantly, they would give you access and passwords for their lectures and videos, where essentially the same things are reiterated. But these people do leave you with some good tips. The only thing is that the value of money component is not there. If you search YouTube, I'm quite sure that you would be able to find free material from better people. But going there, mixing with people, having interaction and peer interaction can be useful. So these are the mentors and the life coaches who are like diesel engines, helping you to discover the fuel and helping you to help yourself in a particular direction. So this was, friends, the second type of mentors. In the next episode, we are going to be talking about the electric locomotives. Stay tuned, but in the meantime, do share, comment, subscribe. We'd be grateful. Stay tuned, we'll be back in our next episode very soon.